Oh, it looks like all the tables are taken.
If you don't mind, you can sit here. This seat is free.
Thank you. I'm Sophia.
Nice to meet you. I'm Caleb.
Nice to meet you too, Caleb. This cafe is quite nice, isn't it? It's my first time here.
Yeah, it's pretty quiet and they have some good coffee. I usually come here in the afternoon to read.
Sounds nice. I usually pick cafes to write in my journal or sometimes just to watch people passing by.
So we both enjoy quiet spaces. What do you usually write about in your journal?
Mostly random thoughts, sometimes my feelings about what happened during the day.
That sounds interesting. I also like jotting things down, but mostly about books or things I've learned.
Oh, so we share a common hobby, keeping track of what matters to ourselves.
So today, are you writing or just enjoying the atmosphere?
Today, I just want to relax. Seeing this cafe, I thought I'd try their famous coffee.
If you like, I can recommend the cafe's signature drink. It's quite good and unique. This cafe has two new signature drinks lately, salted coffee and salted caramel fresh milk coffee.
Oh, really? I didn't know that. Which one is better?
I think you'll like the salted caramel fresh milk coffee more. It's smoother, sweeter, and really easy to drink. The salted coffee is stronger.
Hmm. Then I'll try the salted caramel fresh milk coffee one. Thanks for the recommendation. I'm curious how it tastes. Excuse me, could I have one salted caramel fresh milk coffee, please?
Of course. Would you like it hot or iced?
Iced, please.
All right, one iced salted caramel fresh milk coffee. Anything else?
That's all for now. Thank you.
Okay, I'll bring you a drink right away.
You'll like it. It's one of the easiest signature drinks here to enjoy. Do you live nearby? You seem to get here pretty easily.
Oh, I live just a few streets away. How about you?
I'm nearby too, but I usually walk here. It helps me relax.
Walking. That sounds nice. I usually take the bus, but sometimes I want to walk to stretch my legs. What book are you reading today?
Today I'm reading a novel about adventures. I really enjoy exploring and learning through stories.
That sounds interesting. I usually read psychological stories, but sometimes I want to try adventure stories too.
Then maybe we can exchange books. I read adventure, you read psychology. We can give each other new experiences.
That's a good idea. I like that idea.
The coffee really is good. How do you like it?
Fragrant and rich. Definitely worth your recommendation.
Luckily, otherwise I'd look bad on our first meeting.
When do you usually come to this cafe?
Usually in the afternoon, around 3 to 5 p.m. How about you?
I usually come in the afternoon or evening, depending on my mood.
Then maybe next time we can meet here again, enjoy coffee, and chat some more.
Really? That sounds fun.
How about tomorrow afternoon, same place?
Okay, I'll try a different drink to see if it's good.
Deal. We can exchange numbers to keep in touch.
Yeah, sure. Let's do that.
Mine is +1 209 333 6789.
Got it. And here's mine. +1 209 589 6432. Do you use Instagram?
Yeah, I do. What's your username?
It's at sophia.moon. What about yours?
Mine is at Caleb Ring.
Found you. Followed.
Followed you back. Nice photos, by the way.
Thanks. I post mostly random stuff. All right, I should get going. When I get home, I'll text you.
Sounds good. I'll message you back.
Thank you for introducing me to the delicious coffees in this shop. I think I'll come back many times.
No problem. I'm glad to have someone to share a quiet afternoon with.
Haha, true. And also glad to have met you.
Then see you tomorrow afternoon, Sophia.
Definitely. Have a safe trip home.
You too. Talk soon.